In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo for Sales. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and make sure the Sales app has been added or installed. If it is not already available, install it first. Once that is done, you are ready to begin using the Sales features. Next, click on the Sales app to open it. As soon as it loads, you will usually be taken to the Quotations screen. This is one of the main areas you will work with when managing sales activity in Odoo because quotations are often the first step in the sales process. On this screen, you will see your quotations listed once you start creating them. This gives you a central place to review, organize, and track sales opportunities. As your business activity grows, this area becomes very useful for keeping everything in one view. If you want to create a new quotation, click New in the top left corner. This will open a form where you can enter the quotation details. Take your time here and make sure the information is accurate, since this helps keep your sales records clean and easy to manage later. Now let's look at the toolbar at the top left. This is where you will find the main tools of the Sales app, organized into 5 categories: orders to invoice, products, reporting, and configuration. Understanding these sections will make it much easier to move around the app confidently. The Orders section is where you can find and manage quotations, sales orders, sales teams, and customers. This is essentially the operational side of the Sales app, where much of the day-to-day work happens. The To Invoice section is where you can check orders that still need to be invoiced, as well as orders that may be eligible for upselling. This helps you stay on top of follow-up tasks and make sure no sales opportunity is missed. In the Products section, you can access the products stored in your database. You can also view product variants and price lists here. This area is especially important because it supports accurate quoting and consistent pricing across your sales process. Next, there is the Reporting section. This is where you can generate reports related to your sales and analyze performance. It is useful for tracking results, understanding trends, and getting a clearer picture of how your sales activity is performing over time. Finally, the Configuration section is where you can adjust settings and preferences for the Sales app. This allows you to tailor the app to better match your workflow and business needs. And that's it. Explore each section to get familiar with what Odoo Sales can do, and you'll quickly see how powerful and organized the system can be. That's all.